Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the profit indicator for MetaTrader 4, which you can use as a profit information indicator on your chart. This tool shows real-time profit and loss metrics directly on the chart, so you can monitor performance without switching to separate account windows. In this video, you'll see what it calculates, how it appears, and which key options are described. Profit Indicator MT4 is a specialized technical tool that provides real-time profit tracking for the MetaTrader 4 platform. It can calculate profit and loss in account currency, in pips, as a percentage of equity, and render these values as a graphical overlay on your chart. On the charts, the indicator displays profit information as text labels placed as user-defined locations, such as chart corners or margins, like this one. You can also draw dynamic lines that mark break-even or target levels, and use color-coded outputs to distinguish profitable from losing conditions. As you can see here, key features include calculation mode for profit in currency, profit in pips, and profit as an equity percentage. Meanwhile, display options allows you to choose label placements, font size, refresh interval, decimal precision, and color schemes for positive versus negative values. Filter and aggregation settings lets you focus on trades by magic number, trade comments, or symbol, and toggle between single instrument and multi-instrument profit views. Who is it for? Profit Indicator MT4 is suited to discretionary traders who want instant feedback on their trades, and to algorithmic traders who need on-chart validation of expert advisor performance. It's an informational tool only and cannot change the underlying strategy. Its data must still be combined with sound risk management and a robust trading approach. You can download Profit Indicator MT4 using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek highlights how on-chart profit metrics can support risk management, performance tracking, and strategy tuning. If you like practical MT4 utilities, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more indicator walkthroughs.